Safety Toolbox Talk number 354. Construction Safety Plan. Building Construction 1. Introduction. Purpose: to clearly define the goals and commitment of the organization or contractor towards safety. Key elements: statement of commitment from senior management. Overview of project size, nature, and potential risks. Objectives of the safety plan, e.g. zero incidents, regulatory compliance. Round pushpin 2. Project information. Purpose: to provide context for the safety measures by describing the specific nature of the project. Key elements: project name and address. Client and principal contractor. Start and completion dates. Type of construction, e.g. residential, commercial, infrastructure. Estimated number of workers on site. Busts in Silhouette 3. Roles and responsibilities. Purpose: to assign clear safety roles to individuals and ensure accountability. Key elements: project manager, overall responsibility for health and safety. Safety officer, day-to-day monitoring and implementation. Supervisors, oversee crews and ensure compliance. Workers, follow safety procedures, report hazards. Subcontractors, submit their own plans and comply with the main CSP. Visitors, attend inductions and follow site rules. Warning 4. Hazard identification and risk assessment. Purpose: to identify potential dangers and determine how to mitigate them. Process: identify hazards associated with tasks, e.g. falling from height, electrical contact. Assess the likelihood and consequences. Use a risk matrix to determine the level of risk, low, medium, high. Implement control measures, elimination. Substitution. Engineering controls. Administrative controls. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Five, safe work practices and procedures. Purpose: to outline standard methods for safely completing high-risk activities. Examples: working at heights, use of harnesses, guardrails. Excavation safety, shoring, trench boxes. Electrical work, lockout/tagout. Use of scaffolds, ladders, and power tools. Material handling and storage. 6. Training and induction. Purpose: to ensure everyone on site understands the risks and knows how to work safely. Key elements: site induction, orientation on rules, hazards, emergency procedures. Toolbox talks, short safety meetings on specific topics. Skills training, for machinery operation, confined space entry, etc. Language support, for non-native speakers if necessary. Seven, emergency management. Purpose: to be prepared for fires, medical emergencies, environmental spills, and natural disasters. Emergency planning includes emergency contacts, evacuation routes and assembly points. First aid personnel and equipment. Spill kits and fire extinguishers. Emergency drills, e.g. fire drills. Eight. Incident reporting and investigation. Purpose: to systematically manage and learn from accidents and near misses. Procedure: report all incidents immediately to the safety officer. Secure the scene. Complete an incident report. Conduct root cause analysis. Implement corrective actions to prevent recurrence. Nine. Safety signage and communication. Purpose: to clearly communicate hazards and site rules to everyone. Examples: danger signs, e.g. live wires. Mandatory signs, e.g. hard hats required. Prohibition signs, e.g. no smoking. Site maps and muster points. Multilingual signs if necessary. Thank you.